Hello everyone, welcome back here and let's make minced fried rice. So in our pot we add some oil, add onions and saute until the onions become transparent. We then add minced meat and stir until the meat changes color. If you're watching me for the first time, you're most welcome. This is the food clinic where we do cooking. We then add ginger garlic paste and mix well. We cover and cook until all the water dries. So after the water drying, we add seasoning. So for seasoning we have cumin, black pepper, coriander powder and mixed spices. And don't forget the salt. Mix well. And then add rice. The rice is soaked for 30 minutes. So we fry the rice for around 3 minutes. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. So we add water, boiling water, to cover the rice. We then cover and cook the rice until the water dries. So after the water drying, we turn the rice to low and continue cooking for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is our rice ready. It's completely cooked. You can now serve and enjoy as desired. So I have made this rice without vegetables, but you can add vegetables if you want. We add some nuts and fresh coriander. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. We meet again. Be blessed. Bye bye.